Now let us see next question, that is second question. Check in which case the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. Means here two polynomials are given, children. In this first bit you see t square minus 3 is the first polynomial. 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. This is the second polynomial. We need to check whether this first polynomial is a factor of the second one or not. How to check? Divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial. When will it be a factor? On dividing the second polynomial by first polynomial, if we get the remainder is 0, then we can say this first polynomial is a factor of the second one, right? So here let us take first polynomial as g of x, second polynomial as p of x. Now we divide p of x by g of x, right? Now here this p of x will become the dividend, so I am writing in the middle 2 t power 4 plus 3 t cube minus 2 t square minus 9 t minus 12. This we have to divide with the t square minus 3, right? Here as usual first term of p of t, it is a polynomial in terms of t, so we should not say it is p of x. I am sorry, here you should take it as p of t. So here you write it as g of t. Now here let us write same as usual like the earlier problems. First term of p of t by first term of g of t, right? At this stage what is the first term? 2t power 4 by t square. So this is the first term of q of t, that is 2t power 4 by t square. So here let us write 2 as it is. Here 4 minus 2 is 2, that means t power 2, nothing but 2t square. So let us write 2t square here. With this 2t square let us multiply these two terms. T square into 2t square, it is 2t power 4, minus into plus is minus, 3 2s are 6t square. So here it is minus 6t square. Now here let us subtract, these two get cancelled, bring 3t cube here, and minus 2 plus 6, they have different symbols, so we need to subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4, so 4t square. Bigger number symbol is plus, because here 6 gets plus, so it is plus 4t square. Let us drop minus 9t and then minus 12 as it is. Now we are going to find the second term of q of t. At this stage what is the first term here? 3t cube. 3t cube by t square. 3t cube by t square. Let us write 3 as it is. Here 3 minus 2 is t. So here it is plus 3t. Multiply with these two terms. Plus 3t into t square plus 3t cube. Let us write 3t cube only. Minus into plus is minus. 3 3s are 90. It is minus 90. Now again on subtraction symbols will be changed. So here plus 3t cube minus 3t get cancelled. So let us drop this 4t square as it is. Minus 90. Now it is plus 90. Both get cancelled. Here minus 12. Let us drop minus 12. Now again at this stage what is the first term? 4t square. 4t square by here t square. T square get cancelled. Here we will get 4. So let us write 4 here. 4 into t square is 4t square, minus into plus is minus, 4 3s are 12, so it is minus 12. On subtraction let us change the symbols, plus 4t square minus 4t square get cancelled, minus 12 plus 12 also get cancelled. So finally here you get 0, right? Now since the r of x becomes 0, we can stop the problem, because here at this stage you see degree of r of x becomes 0. So here we can stop the problem. The thing is that you need to check whether here r of x is 0 or not. Clearly it is 0. So here since r of x is 0, means since remainder is 0, g of x is a g of t is a factor of p of t. Here let us write as r of t only, because it is polynomial in terms of t. So since r of t is equal to 0, for example, if you have doubt that we may forget r of t, then simply you can write since remainder is 0, since remainder is 0, first polynomial, that is g of t, is a factor of second polynomial, is a factor of second polynomial is p of t. So with this first bit gets completed. Now let us see next bit, that is second bit. First polynomial is x square plus 3x plus 1. So let us take this as g of x, and second polynomial is 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So let us take it as p of x. Right? Now here we start. Here this is dividend, so I am writing in the middle 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Here divide with x square plus 3x plus 1. Let us check the powers. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So it is in proper order. It is 2, 1, 0. It has also no problem. Now let us start here. First term by first term. Here first term is 3x power 4 divided by x square. So here we write first term by first term, 3x power 4 by first term of p of x by x square. So here let us write 3 as t. This is 4 minus 2 is 2. So it is 3x square. So that is the first term of q of x, quotient 3x square. Now let us multiply 3x square with these three terms. X square into 3x square is 3x power 4. Plus into plus is plus. 3x into 3x square, 3 3s are 9. X into x square, x cube, it is plus 9x cube. Plus 9x cube. Plus 1 into 3x square plus 3x square. So here on subtraction we change the symbols. Now here 3x power 4 minus 3x power 4 get cancelled. 5x cube minus 9x cube. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Let us write x cube. Minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. Let us write x square. Now drop plus 2x and then plus 2 also. Now we are finding the second term of q of x. For that again in this second stage, at this second stage, first term of p of x, that is minus 4x cube by first term of g of x is x square. So here minus 4 let us write as it is. 3 minus 2 is 1, so it is minus 4x. So let us write minus 4x here. With minus 4x let us multiply all the three. Minus 4x into x square. Minus 4 1s are 4. X square into x is x cube. Plus into minus is minus. 3 4s are 12. X into x is x square. That is minus 12x square. Minus 12x square. Plus 1 into minus 4x is minus 4x. Now here let us change the symbols. Plus plus plus. So here negative 4x cube, positive 4x cube, they get cancelled. Minus 10 plus 12 is plus 2. Let us write x square. Plus 2 plus 4 is plus 6. Let us write x and drop this plus 2. Now again third term of the quotient. At this stage, first term of p of x is 2x square by x square. 2x square by x square. X square get cancel, answer is 2. So here let us write 2 With 2, let us multiply these 3 terms. 2 into x square is 2x square, plus into plus plus, 2 3 are 6x, it is plus 6x, plus into plus is plus, 2 1 are 2, so it is plus 2. Now let us subtract. So here 2x square minus 2x square, plus 6x minus 6x, plus 2 minus 2, all get cancelled, so here answer is 0. Here you observe, every time this denominator is not going to be changed, because that is the degree of g of x that is here fixed, whereas this is not degree, this is the first term of g of x that is fixed, which is not going to be changed throughout the problem. But the thing is that here is the first term of p of x, the sense is that first term of the dividend, right? Here 3x power 4, here minus 4x cube, here 2x square, it goes on changing, whereas the first term of g of x is fixed. So like that also you can remember that x square, nothing but here x square, right? Now here again let us come back to the problem. This r of x became 0. So here you can write that since, here I will write children. So here you can write r of x equal to 0. Now here I am writing since the remainder, that is r of x, is 0. Since the remainder is 0, this first polynomial, that is g of x, is a factor of second polynomial, that is p of x. So with this second bit gets completed. Now let us see next bit, that is third bit. The first polynomial is x cube minus 3x plus 1. So let us take it as g of x. And the second polynomial is x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So let us take it as p of x. Right? Before taking it as a dividend, let us check whether the powers they are there in descending order or not. Here x power 5, again x cube, that means here one term is missed. So let us write that term, that is x power 4. So let us write 0 x power 4. Next here powers you see 3, 2, 1, 0. So it is right. It is correct. Here you see x cube, x plus 1. Here x square is missed, 0 x square. Here in divisor whether you write 0 x square or not, it's not a problem. So let us write this problem here. Dividend, that is x power 5. X power 4 term is not there. So I am writing 0 x power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Let us divide this one with x cube minus 3x plus 1. Right? Now here as usual, to get the first term of q of x, we take the first term of p of x by first term of g of x. X power 5 by x cube. X power 5 by x cube. Here it is 3 is smaller, so it becomes x power 5 minus 3 means x power 2, that is nothing but x square. X square is the first term of quotient. With this x square we multiply all the 3 terms of g of x. X square into x cube, that is x power 5. Now minus into plus is minus. 3x into x square, it is 3, it is 1. X square quotient nothing is there means 1. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. X into x square is x cube. So it is minus 3 x cube. Here we can write here minus 3 x cube. Plus into plus is plus. 1 into x square is x square. So it is plus 1 x square, nothing but plus x square. Now here let us change the symbols. So here negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative, here positive becomes negative. They both get cancelled. Here the question is that, do we need to write 0 x power 4 or not? If you write or if you do not write, nothing goes wrong. Because here the highest power term, the term which is having highest power, it gets cancelled. So here before this x power 4, no term is left. So here we can omit it, we need not to write it. So here let us come back. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 x cube. Plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Let us drop this plus 3x and plus 1 as it is. Now we are finding the second term of q of x. Now the second term is, at this stage, the first term of dividend, that is minus x cube, by first term of divisor, that is plus x cube. So we can write here minus x cube by plus x cube. Both get cancelled, you will get minus 1 here. So let us write minus 1. With this minus 1, we multiply each and every term. Minus 1 into x cube is minus x cube. Right? Minus 1 into minus 3x. Minus into minus is plus. 3x 1 jar 3x, so it is plus 3x. Plus 1 into minus 1. Plus into minus is minus. 1 1 jar 1. Now here let us change the symbols. Negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive. Minus x cube plus x cube get cancelled. Plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled. In the hurry mode, you do not cancel 1 and 1 also, children. Here you keep focus. This is plus 1. Already here is also plus 1. When both the symbols are same, we need to add them. So plus 1 is plus 2. So here I am writing 2. Here don't be confused. Here all the terms they look alike. So you may cancel x cube and x cube. 3x and minus plus x cube minus x cube. Plus 3x minus 3x. In the hurry mode, you may cancel plus 1 or minus plus 1 also by thinking that it is minus 1. But here is the mistake what you should not do. You don't cancel them. You take care of the symbols. So here finally we get answer 2. Right? That means here this is not equal to 0. The meaning is that here r of x is not equal to 0. When this r of x is not equal to 0, then we can say that g of x is not a factor of f of x. So let us write the conclusion here. Since the remainder, that is r of x, is not equal to 0, that is non-zero, g of x is not a factor of given p of x. Here you just try to understand why it is not. Clearly I am saying here r of x is non-zero, it is not equal to 0. If the remainder is not equal to 0, then g of x, that is the first polynomial, is not a factor of second polynomial, that is p of x. With this third bit gets completed.